I'd like to express my feelings about the Experimental Aircraft Association.
Fighter pilot, test pilot, airshow performer Bob Hoover on the EAA.
They have done so much for general aviation, well, for all of aviation for that matter. They have been our champions.
Get Sport Aviation magazine and a host of other benefits. Join Bob Hoover and over 150,000 others who cherish our right to fly.
I'm privileged and proud to be a part of the organization.
Do you like airplanes and the people who fly them? Then EAA, the Sport Aviation Association, is for you. EAA offers something for every age and interest, pilot and non-pilot alike. As an EAA member, you'll be right in the middle of the action. EAA is aviation's recognized newsmaker. Get involved with local activities or the International OSHKOSH Fly-In Convention. Join today and receive this free video. Call now. Learn why our members say EAA puts the fun in flying.
I've always loved to fly airplanes, from this B-51 Mustang that I flew in World War II to J-3 Cub. And that's one of the reasons I joined the Experimental Aircraft Association. The EAA offers something for everyone. You'll also receive Sport Aviation magazine every month, plus a hangar full of other benefits. I'm an Experimental Aircraft Association member, and you can be one too, because they put the fun back in flying.
Now you can catch up on what's happening on Ultimate Flights on the internet via the World Wide Web. Pages will highlight show content with brief video clips, give broadcast schedules, and information on how to order our Ultimate Flight series for home video. Look us up. Our address is www.eaa.org/ultimateflight.